Custom Tools offers a fully customizable property pane that can be customized based on your need. With Custom Tools properties, you are able to perform different sets of actions or define the properties based on the configuration. You can also use the projects to load default custom property values into the property pane. You're also able to define your own sequences that can be used, for example, for file naming. You can use a custom property to name a drawing, for example, if you want to associate the drawing to the configuration name. You can also manage a group visibility based on a property value. For example, if it's fabricated, then I have a new set of properties to define. In addition, you're also able to connect SOLIDWORKS to an external data source, for example, to search item in that external data source and link them with your custom properties. You have also the possibility to define hierarchical lookup lists, where the values in the different lookup lists depends on what was selected in the first place. For example, if I select fastener, then I have a group of properties available. If I select conveyor, then I have different properties that I can select. You can also manage the revision of the document, so we just manage the data, not the file. For example, if I want to add a new revision, you can also force the users to define custom properties. For example, here this custom property marked as red, and then you can select a property from your dictionaries. So here we have different languages that can be used, for example, to translate your drawings during your batch operation. We can also define the dimensions. Then we have this property called UsedOn, which can be used to retrieve property values from the parent. And now I'm going to define the properties for the dimensions for that document. So I can select the width, the length, and the thickness. So the dimensions are directly linked with your SOLIDWORKS sketch. So I can fill up the lookup list with, for example, SQL queries. I can select material from SOLIDWORKS that will be applied to the document, and also RAL color that will also be applied to the documents once the document is saved. Now when I will click OK, we can see that the name is automatically generated for the part here that we have selected. Also the material and the color were applied. I can use Custom Tool to search documents based on custom property values, so the search pane is fully customizable with an autofill available. For example, if I want to search for the conveyor, then I can search document inside the Custom Tools database. Now we'll have a look at the custom property UsedOn that allows me to retrieve property value from the parent. So if I open the properties of that part, so we can see that the UsedOn property is empty. But then if I insert this property inside the assembly, and if I now save the assembly, so the number for that assembly is 30. And if I go back to the part, open the property, we can see that the UsedOn property was automatically filled with the name of that assembly.